Everyone and welcome to my channel Optionstradertoday. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. As I clearly explain you that there is a clear pattern forming towards an upside because similar pattern being formed, so chances are very high. See, now it is trying to form 2 weeks continuous downfall because whenever it makes a new high, if you look at these trends, we have seen a good fall. So similarly we can see a strong support coming at a level of 2.39. so if the price comes close to this level, a bounce back can come, or if it started forming a swing, there is a probability it will touch this level and a bounce back can come. But if started forming this level and goes above a level of 2.8, then a further upside we can see, and then it can go towards $3 and then further high. Because see, if you look at this particular level, this is a buy zone. Okay, so similarly we can see this U pattern will form and chances of going towards $3 will be there, and then there will be a zone breakout. So we can see it can go towards 3.5 and then a further high. Okay, overall trend we can see there is a zone, it is moving in this particular zone. So chances are high if it started falling below 2.39, a further downfall or a bounce back. Okay, so if a bounce back happens, we can see further high, but if it started going down, we can see it can go towards 2.1 and then towards a level of $2. But if bounce back from this level and goes above again at 2.5, then it can sustain this level and towards a level of 2.7, and probability of crossing 3 will be there. But as of now we can see there is a probability it can touch a level of 2.39. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, you have to understand whenever it was making a new high, we have seen a good fall. Okay, this is what we have seen in this also. Okay, because profit booking comes at these levels. So now if you look at the dollar index, how the dollar index is moving, see, dollar index, as I've already explained you, if the price started sustaining above 102, a further upside we can see, because a swing was formed with a strong support of around $100 and then it moved continuously high, and 102 is a strong support resistance. So if it started sustained above this level, we can see now it has trading above a level of 103.4. so chances can be high if it sustain this level, we can see a level of 104, and from there a probability of going towards 104.6, and if this sustain, a further high we can see towards 105. Okay, and once the price moving over this level, a probability of touching 106.4, and then it can go further upside. But if the price didn't sustain, then we can see it can come down towards 102.7, then to a level of 102. Keeping that in mind, if it started falling below 102, probability of touching 100.9 will be there, and then a further fall. When I'm explaining you dollar index started going upside, we will see the natural gas price will come down. Similarly, if the dollar index started going down, we will see the natural gas price will come up. Okay, but sometimes they both moves in same direction. So in that case, you have to put your SL. When you start your trade, you have to put your SL, so capital can be saved, and trail your SL, so your profit will be saved. These two things you have to do. Okay, and as soon as the price started going above this level, you can trail your SL, so maximum profit you can make. Coming back on the natural gas price, what we can see, if you look at the natural gas price, the trend from 2 weeks is continuously down. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come towards $2.5490. Okay, and if the price started falling below this level, we can see a level of 2.36. Okay, so a bounce back can come from this particular level, but if started falling below this level, we can see it can touch a level of 2.0774. Okay, and if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see towards 1.92, which is already being tested, and after that it can touch a level of 1.63, which is the zone breakout. So a further downfall we can see. Okay, but if it sustain, okay, what we can see, if it started going below 1.8 or $2, I'll explain you, or I'll make another video to explain you where it can go. But if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go towards this next level of resistance, that is 2.85, and from there it can go further down upside towards $3, which is already being tested. So chances of further upside we can see, and it can go towards $3.17. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see towards a level of 3.3, and then to a level of $3.58. Okay, and if the price moving above this level, a probability of touching 3.63 will be there, then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see. So you have to keep 2-3 things in the mind, and then we can see how it goes. So you can mail me regarding this. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please